Folks, my name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2018 Northern Lite pickup camper. It is for a long box truck, unique build. It's called a clamshell type. It's all fiberglass, very sought after camper. Let's go inside and take a look at some of the features inside. Folks, this Northern Lite's got the horseshoe booth for your dining area. It's got the 3-burner gas grill, nice big 6 cubic foot refrigerator freezer. It has a wet bath, a lot of storage in this, and the woodwork is very, very nice. Of course, it has air conditioning, very, very sought after camper. Folks, once again, thank you very much for your time. My name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. You can reach me direct at 541-998-8824. We've got this camper and many, many more for you to look at.